Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. My quick tip today is regarding the silicone craft sheet. If you don't already have this product, I think it's a must-have in your stamp room. Adhesive will not stick to it. You can go ahead and just place it on here and it's going to rub right off. It's great for hot glue and liquid glue as well. But when it's on your work surface, you can see that it's an attraction because of the silicone for glitter, lint, and scrap pieces of cardstock. So you're probably wondering how to clean it. Well, there's a couple ways. You can rinse it with cool tap water and then allow it to air dry. You would not want to dab this with a paper towel or a lint type of towel because obviously it'll attract it while it's drying. The other way is to use a sticky roller. Now these are intended for lint on your clothing, but they work really awesome on your silicone craft sheet. As a matter of fact, I've shared this tip before. They help pick up dimensionals and small sequins and scraps that are on your work surface. I'm going to flip this over because there's lint as well and glitter on this side too. And the last way to clean it would be using a piece of packing tape. You can go ahead and place that on your silicone craft sheet and then lift, and it's going to pick up all the small pieces and the lint very quickly and easily. This is a great remedy if you don't happen to have the lint roller. You'll find the silicone craft sheet here in the annual catalog on page 213. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you're interested in receiving a complimentary copy of the current annual catalog and or the occasions catalog, just leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to send those to you. And of course, I'll include copies of the current sale brochure. The items in this catalog, the items in this brochure are free with a $50 product purchase. And for those of you with a larger wish list, there are even selections for a $100 order. While you're here, I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and click the subscribe button here below if you're visiting from YouTube, and make sure you click that small bell icon that's next to it. That will send you notifications of when I'm live here on YouTube, as well as when I upload a new video. I look forward to seeing you next time for another quick tip. Have a great day, everyone.